Struggling with the Roku remote that won't work? Whether it's not pairing, freezing, or just completely unresponsive, we have got the fix for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will walk you through the simple ways to reset and troubleshoot any Roku remote, whether it's a standard, rechargeable, infrared, or voice remote. Let's dive in. Method 1. Resetting a standard Roku remote. Got a standard Roku remote with removable batteries? Here is how to reset it and get back to streaming in no time. Take out the batteries from your Roku remote. Unplug your Roku device from the power source and wait for about 10 seconds. This gives it a quick refresh. Plug your Roku device back in and wait for it to fully boot up. You should see the home screen appear. Now pop the batteries back into your remote. Press and hold the pairing button for about 5 seconds until the status light starts flashing. This means the remote is trying to reconnect. Once the pairing is complete, test your remote to make sure it's working properly. And just like that, your Roku remote should be back in action. Method 2. Resetting a rechargeable Roku remote. Now, if you have a rechargeable Roku remote, the steps are a bit different. Press and hold the pairing button on your remote for about 20 seconds until the status light starts flashing rapidly. This will reset the remote. After the reset, press and hold the pairing button again for about 5 seconds until the status light starts flashing. This will repair the remote with your Roku device. Once the pairing is complete, test your remote to make sure it's working properly. Method 3. Reset infrared remotes with no pairing button. To reset your infrared remote, first ensure there are no obstructions between the infrared light on your remote and the streaming device or TV. Replace the batteries in your remote to make sure it's not a power issue. Next, power cycle the device. Unplug your Roku device from the wall, wait for a few seconds, and then plug it back in. This can sometimes resolve connection issues. Method 4. Reset Roku remotes with a microphone with a pairing button. If there is a tab on the back of your remote, be sure to pull that off. Now, first pair the remote. Turn the remote around, press and hold the home button and the back button simultaneously for 5 seconds. Look for a notification on your screen indicating that your Roku remote has been paired. You should also check your TV screen for any on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If the green light doesn't blink or the pairing process doesn't work, repeat the steps above or try power cycling your device again. And that's it. By now, your Roku remote should be working perfectly fine. Don't forget to check your batteries and power cycle your Roku device if needed. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments and we will be happy to help. Happy streaming, and we will see you in the next video.